You probably don't think about your tripod much, right? But what if I told you the right tripod could change how you shoot entirely? Today I'm breaking down the K&F 10 kg load capacity fluid head tripod and why it might just be the best thing you didn't know you needed in your kit. So when I first got the box, I wasn't expecting much. For $179, I figured it'd be decent, but nothing special. But right out of the gate, I was actually really surprised. The carrying case alone feels really premium, thick material, solid zippers, and easy to carry. This thing's already giving off good vibes. Now let's talk about the tripod itself. First thing you notice is big, like seriously tall. Fully extended, it's over 75 inches. Perfect if you're shooting events, interviews, or just need the extra height to get the right angle. It's not exactly lightweight, so don't expect to throw it in a backpack and hike up a mountain, but for studio and controlled shoots, it's a beast. Comes with a little Allen key stored neatly in the tripod head, a small detail that makes a big difference. It also has this cool switch for DJI base plates. The legs lock firmly in place and everything feels sturdy, no wobbling, no creaking. First impression, solid, like withstand a strong wind solid or a little knock from a guest at a wedding solid. For video, the two most important features of a tripod are smooth panning and tilting. This thing is smooth. The fluid head glides effortlessly whether you're doing slow pans for cinematic shots or quick tilts to follow action. It's intuitive to use and the controls are just right, not too loose and not too tight. And even better, the quick release plate makes swapping cameras a breeze. I've used 500-pound tripod heads at work and this thing literally feels way better than those. The adjustable legs are another win. They lock securely and the rubber feet grip well on different surfaces. And I really like the way that they actually release and you pull them up rather than having to like reach all the way down and then let the leg out. And you can control the height from your end of the tripod. It sounds like a small thing, but it's actually really convenient. So strengths and weaknesses, let's break it down. The strengths are the build quality. So this thing feels like it could take a beating and still perform like new. The height, over 75 inches, is taller than most competitors in this price range. The fluid head, smooth pans and tilts without any stuttering. The best thing about it, I think, after maybe the value for money, so you're getting a feel that you'd expect from tripods at least twice the price. So yeah, it's amazing really. Ease of use, quick setup, intuitive controls, and the handy Allen key slot. Portability is not lightweight, so if you're looking for something travel friendly, this isn't it, but it's perfect for car use. That kind of brings us on to the other thing, which is there's obviously no carbon fiber, but at this price point, that's going to be hard to come by. So is the K&F tripod the ultimate tool for creators? Depends what you're looking for. If you need a portable, ultra lightweight tripod, this isn't it. But if you're looking for a really solid, reliable tripod for video work specifically, and still deliver buttery smooth shots, then yes, this is absolutely it. It's not just about holding your camera, it's about giving you the confidence to focus on your creativity without worrying about your gear. Price is hard to beat, but sure it's not perfect, but its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses.